First thing is my mascara that I am legit obsessed with this mascara. Okay, so this is 40% off. I'm gonna make sure everything's working. It looks like my sound's working. What in the world? What is she talking about? I swear, my Alexa just like talked out loud. What did she say, Pierre? I don't know what she's talking about. But okay. So the first thing, I have a couple mascaras that I'm obsessed with. These are all best sellers from Amazon. So I've got the Sky High Maybelline. This stuff is literally incredible. It's so, so good. And it says Sky High. So this stuff literally will make your lashes sky high. I'm telling you, it's so good. I also have the Lash Princess, which is really good too. So both of these are amazing. So I have just a little bit of makeup on, but I thought I would like put a little bit of stuff on too while I'm on here today. But so this stuff just goes on, it glides on. And I feel like the applicator brush is really good too. And it's incredible. So it's very affordable, both of these. Now, the Lash Princess is like $4. It's like crazy, but this is still really affordable. So if you're looking for a really good mascara, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is on sale today for like $8, okay? And then the Lash Princess, you can get 2 for $14, or you can get 1 for like $5. So it's a really great one. Now this one also has a wonderful applicator brush, and that makes such a difference. And it just goes on so, so well. And it just literally gives your lashes like a nice false look to them. I'm literally using my laptop over here for my like mirror. And that's why sometimes I'm looking over, if you're wondering. Okay, so I just love both of these so much. Okay, so next up, if you're looking for like a makeup remover, I have the Neutrogena. I have this one that's actually the liquid. Hi, Pierre. You want to come say hi? Oh, honey. This is Pierre. I have the liquid and I also have the wipes. This is Pierre. So say hi, look at the camera. Look, hi guys, it's me. Look at you, it's you. Oh gosh, you're stuck to my mic. Here, buddy, I'm gonna lay down. There you go. Okay, so I have the liquid Neutrogena and I also have the wipes. So I think both are so important. The wipes I love to bring on the go or on vacation, put them in my bag. And then this I always keep at home. I just shake it and then put a little bit on like a cotton swab or even a piece of toilet paper, and then you can just get all your makeup off with it, even your eye makeup. This stuff is so good, it lasts forever. It's just like a game changer. Next up is this beautiful blush. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a blush and a bronzer. And I got the color 410 Rose Latte. Look at this. This is the Maybelline Skin Enhancer Baked Luminous Blush. Look how beautiful that is. So, so pretty. It's just a beautiful color. So a little goes a long way. You really don't need like a ton. I just put it on the apple of my cheeks and then I just bring it up to the hairline. Sometimes I even put a little bit up here just to get a little extra. But I'm telling you, this stuff is just incredible. Like it just, doesn't that just brighten up my look right away? And I'm literally not using a mirror, so I'm just literally just seeing how this goes. I should get one of those tall mirrors to stand in front of me. That might be a smart choice for me. Next up, I have my Maybelline Lifter Gloss, which I cannot find anywhere. It's driving me nuts. I'm obsessed with it. It's 23% off. I have the color Topaz, which is so good. And it's a gloss, but it also is hydrating, and it also gives you a color, like a tint to your lips. So it's so good. And speaking of, I'm going to jump forward a little because I really want to put this lip on now. I have this e.l.f. stick, you guys. It's $6. You can use this as blush. You can use this as a lip. You can also use it as eyeshadow. So I love this on my lips. It's such a pretty color. And it's really smoothing. And it's so pretty on your cheeks. So I'm just going to wipe it off because I just used it on my lips. I don't know. And I'm just going to tap it on my cheeks. And then you just literally blend it in. And you can use this as a shadow. So I'm going to just take your brush and blend it in. So it's really pretty. I got the Rose Peony, I think it's called. Dazzling Peony. And it's such a pretty color. But look at that, lips, cheeks, and then you can actually use it as an eyeshadow. So it's just really versatile, and it's $6 for this. I just think that's such a great deal. I love that. Also, a very affordable eyeshadow that's a bestseller on Amazon is this little, where is it? Here it is, the little CoverGirl. This is the CoverGirl Eye Enhancer. Look at this. This stuff is incredible. You've got all of your basic colors that you need from like day to night. And I just think that these are incredible colors, like from day to night. And I actually haven't used one of these little tiny applicators for a long time for my eyeshadow, but I actually used this the other day and it's quite nice. You can get a very good, I don't have a mirror, so this is like frightening. I guess I'll try to use my mirror with the black behind it. Okay. You can just put this right on and it really gives you the detail you need if you're wanting to use that little applicator brush. I feel like that's kind of old school. I use bigger brushes now, but I actually have started to use these and it's really good for like detail. Like if you want to get in the corner to pop your eye and brighten it a little bit like this, I think it's really good for, but it's 27% off for this little palette. You can grab this for like $5 today. So that's a really great deal. And it's a bestseller. So the She Glam Color Bloom Liquid Blush is also a bestseller for good reason, you guys. This is so good. So this is a new product that I just tried once I researched these bestsellers on Amazon. And look how cute this is. It's called She Glam. I got the color Love Cake and it's a little blush sponge. So you just kind of shake it and then there's liquid blush down here at the bottom. And then you just take your little sponge, this is in sponge, and you just can dab it right on your cheek. And then you just blend it in. It's so fun to use this. I've got a lot of blush on now. I've used 3 different blushes, but hey, you know what? That's what you do when you're demonstrating. So I just love it. Like, it's so pretty. It's so fun to just put the little sponge on. I feel like it really goes on nicely. And I just am a sucker for packaging. I cannot help myself. Look how pretty that is. I mean, it's literally beautiful, pink and gold. Like, what the heck? They did such a good job. And like I said, this color is Love Cake and it's super pretty. So Lori Elizabeth started following. Thank you. You guys, have you guys heard of the new L'Oreal lipstick that's like trending like crazy? This one is in the color 800 Ferris Nude, but this lipstick is going viral right now and so many colors. It's so pretty. This is the color Ferris Nude. Like, look at this color. It's so beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch it. Look at that. So it's not super nude. It does give you a little color, but nothing crazy. Which I really love. I love to mix this one with the e.l.f. stick like I'm doing right now. And it's so pretty. It's just not too crazy. It's like a light pink with a nude. And it just looks really pretty together. So these two are just such an incredible duo if you're looking for this kind of color. It's perfect for winter. Next up, a bestseller for under eyes is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This stuff is just incredible. You just twist it and then you can just put it like in the corners and then over here to get yourself some age rewind. Let's go backwards in time, Benjamin Button style. And then you can just have your under eye, dark under eyes go away, which I need a lot of help with these days because, girl, I'm not sleeping these days. I don't know what's going on with me. Life, but like, look how that really brightens up your look. Very easy. You can just use your finger or you could go in with a sponge too. I mean, you could even just use this sponge to keep blending it in, but then sometimes too much product gets on. So I usually go in with my finger, but it just brightens up your under eye so quick and it's so affordable. So a lot of these products are very affordable. Now this is the Laura Geller. This is a very trending product right now. A lot of Laura Geller stuff is very trending, but this is the Illuminating Foundation in medium. This is what it looks like, Laura Geller. Look at that. It's a beautiful illuminator. And it's like a bronzer foundation and it also gives you a highlight. So it's like all the things. And it just makes your skin glow and just look very airbrushed, which, I mean, who doesn't want that? So if you're looking for airbrushed, beautiful looking skin, I'm telling you, get this. It's so good. Everyone's raving about it for good reason. And the price is great, and it's 23% off today. Now, if you like a glowing look, get the Lumi Glotion by L'Oreal. This is a bestseller, and it's so, so good. This one is beautiful. It's in the color 902 Light Glow. It's the Lumi Glotion. Now, this comes in a huge thing too for all over your body, but I just go like this. You can actually just put it right on your face if you want, but I just usually start like this, and I'll just put a little bit right on my forehead. Look at that. And then you just blend it in, and it gives you this really overall glow to your skin. It just looks so pretty. And you can use it all over. You can literally blend this in with your foundation if you want, but I kind of like to just use it where like I want a highlighter, but people use this all over their face. Like I said, you can blend it with your foundation, and it looks really good for overall glow, but great for like glowy, dewy skin. And it's so affordable, 17% off. Next is my favorite foundation ever. That's very affordable. It's a Jerome Alexander. It comes with a foundation brush. So you get the brush and the foundation. Oh my gosh, it's on deal for 13 bucks today. You guys, man, I have back pain. I probably need like a more supportive chair in here, but I'm sitting on an ottoman. So we've got the foundation plus the brush, and it's usually $19.99. You get it for $13 today. It's on sale. So get this if you've been wanting to get it. You just spray this can right on the brush, and it's literally the most high coverage. Like, I'm trying to see where I'm going to show you. So look at this. It's just crazy, crazy coverage. Like, you will get full makeup, like runway ready. They call this runway ready because it's like, look at that. It's like I just put on full on, like I airbrushed my face. It's so good. Just did a little blush over it to like blend it in because I'm not looking into a mirror. But isn't that beautiful? Like, look at that. So easy, so simple, and you get a full coverage look. So this is something that I wouldn't use every day. I always tell people I like a tinted moisturizer or like the e.l.f. the liquid glow for like daily. But this is something if you really want a full coverage look, like you've got an event, a dinner, a date night, you want like full on like airbrush look, that's what this is for. If I use it every day, my skin would dry out because my skin's very dry. So use this for special occasions and you will just be like, you'll be shocked. Okay, so the e.l.f. Halo Liquid Filler, this is like what I use every day. I'm obsessed with this stuff. It literally says it's a glow booster for radiant skin. You can mix this in with a little foundation, but I love the applicator. Look at that sponge. Look at this sponge. It's like really good. So I usually just put this where I need a little glow. And then I just blend it in with my finger. You can also use a brush to blend it in. Maybe I'll go back in with my foundation brush a little bit, but you can just blend it right in and it gives you that gorgeous filler glow. It's like they say you don't need a filler if you're using this. So it just gives you that beautiful glowy skin that really pulls everything together. So it's really pretty. e.l.f. has some really high-end products and they're very affordable. So I just really love this brand, e.l.f. 15 bucks. So, oh, I've linked up my makeup brush holder. It's like right over there in my filming room. I'll go grab it really quick. It's like right here, just so I can show you. It's super cute. And I feel like this needs a demonstration. Okay, here it is. Let me grab this. I don't know why I'm sore. I haven't worked out in like ages, but so let me put this, a couple brushes in here just to show you. This is so cute, you guys. Where's that other little brush? Whatever. Okay, so this is it. It's a little makeup brush holder. It's by Ichi Aesthetics and it's very aesthetically pleasing. You have this little door that opens and shuts, so all your brushes stay clean and they don't get dust. And then look, it's like a lazy Susan. You spin this around to grab your brushes. Super efficient. It's 5% off. It looks really good as well on the counter, so you don't have to worry about this looking bad. It's gonna look cute. Like this looks super cute. You can fit a lot of brushes in there and it's just a must-have for makeup lovers that need somewhere to put their brushes. I have a pile of laundry, not laundry, but just like clothes that I share on lives over in the corner of my filming room. It's like this high and my dog's laying on it eating his bone right now. It's So cute. Hi, Luna. This is my cat down here, Luna. I'm sharing makeup. Isn't this cute though? I love the little door and how it spins. It's just so efficient. It holds so many brushes. Just really cute, aesthetically pleasing too. Oh, last but not least, the Urban Decay palette, you guys, you can grab it for $9.99. It's 23% off. This is the one, the Naked 2 Urban Decay, and the colors are so good. This is just like the must-have, I would say, eyeshadow palette. I love these colors. You can see the camera. Just great colors from like day to night. You can do a full smoky eye down here with the browns. And you've got like everything you need. It's called Skimp, Stark, Frisk, Cover, Primal, Undone. You can see I've used a lot of the Undone, the darkest one, for like nighttime. But I really like the light colors for the day. But these are just beautiful colors that you can go ahead and use. I'm gonna like swatch a couple. This one's called Cover. I think this is a really good one for like every day. See, look at that. It's a beautiful everyday look. I like a nice like neutral brown for every day. And then this really light one called Skimp can also be used as like a highlighter. It's nice and bright and light. And look, it's like a highlighter. So that one's really glowy and pretty. So yeah, it's just great to have all your basics, and you can get this for $9.99. This lasts forever. This can last you for years. You've got your mirror as well. So this is great for traveling. Look how thin it is. So if you're going on a trip, you can take this in your like carry-on, and you can just use this and like touch up your shadow on the plane before you land. It's really great for just throwing in a bag, a beach bag, whatever, on the go. And you can go straight from like the beach to like lunch, and you can just, you know, touch up. And I like that it has a nice mirror. So if you're doing your lipstick too, you can look right in the mirror. So I actually haven't done too bad of a job since I'm not looking in a mirror. Oops, I just got some eyeshadow on my cheek. As I'm saying, I'm doing a good job. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for joining me.